We're super excited about our latest review. We work very hard to meet everyone's needs, and we really value hearing 5-star reviews like this one. Now, we're sharing it with you. As you can see, our staff focuses on providing top quality service. We work one-on-one with every individual to ensure we meet their expectations. Complete satisfaction is extremely important to our company. We value everyone, new and old. Whether you're brand new or have been through our doors before, we'd like the chance to make you happy. Thanks for watching. We look forward to working with you. Call us today at the number on your screen. Have a great day.